talaga kaya.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Everyday AJ.
Red.
Blue.
Green. So, walang yellow. Alisin na natin yung mga yellow.
So guys, we're picking colors, and then what we pick is what we're like gonna put in the stage, or whatever you call this thing.
Go. Daddy, you go first.
Red.
Hindi ka naman kita eh.
Red because
Red.
Yeah.
Then,
my hood
you
is
go.
red.
Yeah. I picked blue because, yeah. I should have picked green to balance it a little bit.
Daddy, go.
Go na.
I'm blue.
What is it? Ano ba ako? Wait, what?
Green ka.
Oh my goodness.
Ang pangit ng
Oh my
kinuha mo.
God. Bakit? Puro ganito yung
Wala,
green.
mali yung test mo eh. Go na. Wala.
Ayan, pinili mo eh.
Go, mami. Go, mami, go.
Ako yan.
Go, mami,
Huwag
go.
gawin.
Go, mami, go.
Bakit ka naman green?
Sabi ko.
No, dun mo, dun.
Ah.
I'll give you...
Bakit mo mga green?
Ano sa akin, red, di ba? Puntayin natin para dito mo ba dyan.
Oo. Yung issue.
Puro no. Perfect. Ay, hindi. Kailangan pa na isa. Ay, hindi. Okay lang nga dun eh. Nilip mo pa ng space.
It's alright. Even though there's space in there, that's fine. You can put anything on this side.
Yes, I can.
I put it.
You're cheating, girl.
I'm not cheating.
Yeah, you are.
Oh!
Yan yung bumaksak. Bloopers! Ay.
Next. Yan pala eh. Okay pala yan.
Ano na ako, red?
Your turn. EJ.
Yan ako nandaya. Aray ko. Okay, where can I put it? I can either pick this thing or this.
Ano tayo sa this thing?
Okay. I don't know because it could fall either way.
Go either way.
Hindi ako kasi kaya.
Kaya mo yan. Ano yun? Ah! Hindi na talaga kaya, girl.
Thank you for watching, everyone!